Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. To connect our watch to Wi-Fi network, first you need to wake up the screen. Then you need to open the QuickPanel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And on the QuickPanel you need to find the Wi-Fi icon. And once you find it, tap on it. It will open the Wi-Fi menu. And if the Wi-Fi is enabled, it will start searching for the nearby networks, basically. As you can see, I am already connected to one network, but we can connect to multiple ones. And later on, the watch will pick the one with the best signal strength, basically. So find the network you want to connect to. Tap on it, and as you can see, this one is protected by password, so we need to enter the password. And to enter the password, your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see this pop up, and basically you need to tap here and enter the password on the phone. So give me a few seconds. I'm gonna enter the password, and after you enter the password, you can simply tap on the connect button right here. And if the password was correct, the watch should connect to the Wi-Fi network after a few seconds. It's still connecting. Let's see. And as you can see now, it says connected, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.